Hi folks, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and we just got a few questions on what an ideal setup was for a Zoom call. So I'm not using a fancy camera, I'm just using my phone for this to show that you can totally do it and it doesn't have to be hard. And just a few minor key points. One is have a fairly aesthetically pleasing or very boring background to look at. I don't love that you can see this part of my house, but like otherwise it's not, I just didn't care too much to like move it. But you don't want a background that's going to be busy with people moving behind it or cars moving behind it or a pet moving behind it a whole lot. Obviously a pet here and there is very enjoyable. But generally you just want to keep it pretty plain and boring or pretty with plants. I like plants, so I have a lot of them around. And then the other thing is you want your light source to be in front of you. So if there's a window behind you, this is okay because the light's not coming through this window. At this point in the day, the light's coming from over there, and there are windows over there. So all that light is coming here. This is filtered a bit, but I'm not really getting a lot of light from that way. I'm getting more from this way. I also do have a ring light set up over here, but let's say you don't have that. Let me turn it off and we can see what that looks like. It looks okay. So I'm getting shadow on this side of my face because the light, I would need to reposition if I didn't have the ring light, right? But so that's that. And I'll turn the light back on so you can see the difference again. If you want to invest in a ring light, they're great. They make it really easy, but they're expensive. So if it's just for the Zoom calls, then I don't think you need it at all. But light should be in front of you, not behind you. Nice even background. And I just did a video about makeup for Zoom calls, like the most minimal amount you can do, which is what I have on right now. So you can watch that if you want to throw a little makeup on or not. One more thing that I wanted to show you was the setup that I have for my phone to be not down here, because no, it's not pretty. It's not pretty. And 2-year-olds look at you like that. No one your age looks at you like that. So here's what I have. It's very official. Get ready. So we've got a can of coconut cream. Any can will do. Could be beans, could be corn, doesn't matter. We've got The Secret Garden, a book from my youth, a puzzle box, 2 boxes, bowl and branch, and another box, and then it's all on a TV tray. So what I did was I just put it behind the can of creamed coconut cream. So sorry. So yeah, so that's, you know, and that way you get a little downward angle instead of like if I set it up this way, which wouldn't be bad. That's actually okay. But this way you get a little, I don't know, you guys. I mean, I'm just doing my best. You don't want to get it so low that you get like Secret Garden. It is a really good book though, but you know. So anyway, keep in mind, you can't see half of the screen now because there's a big can in front of it. But this is my reality. This is what's happening, okay? So have fun on Zoom. Bye.